So we are doing May, June 2022, paper 22. And this is the first sum which is related to a cash book and PRS. Question number 1. This has things related to cash book and bank reconciliation statement. When I am talking about the cash book, do you know what is the rule of a cash book? When the money is coming in, where will we put it? And when the money is going out, we will put it on the credit side. Everything related to cash and bank is over here. Can you read the first transaction? They have already given us the opening balances, and now I have cash sales directly paid into the bank account. What does this mean? Okay, so cash sales is coming in the bank. So I will put 410. April 2, I will put cash sales. Are you with me? Okay, then go to the next part of it. 798. So how much have you paid to Rahat? So you have paid 798. So how much is going out? How much have you paid to Rahat? What is going out? What is going out? What is going out? You've paid how much? When you've paid, that means money is coming in or going out? Going out means which side? Credit side. So how much have you paid? Where will you write this 798? Write it. Okay. How much have you settled for? So 798. It is 42. 42 is the discount received. Okay, this is one thing that you have done wrong. Okay, fine. Read the next part. So you've paid out. Where will you write? Write it, please. Just write the amount. On April 8th, you have paid for motor repairs. Okay, fine. Now, read ahead. On credit subject to a trade discount of 10% from your home. What does this mean? So, purchase goods out. Read the full statement properly. Purchase goods subject to a trade discount of 10%. So 328 times 10%. Darling, is it a cash transaction or credit transaction? So will it be recorded in the cash book? Credit transactions is not recorded in the cash book. Credit transaction is? Okay, go ahead. $460 coming in for cash sales. Very good. Then read next. So how much have you paid? How much have you paid? 392 is before deducting the cash discount or after deducting the cash discount? Okay. 392 is after deducting the cash discount. So that means if you were supposed to pay 100, cash discount is 2. So you have paid how much? 98. Whenever it is after, you have to take basis. 98 represents what? It represents 392. So how much will be 2? The cash discount. In your cash book, discount allowed and discount received will always be recorded. Now, how much have you paid? Please record the 392 first. Now, how will you calculate the discount? 392 is after cash discount. Just keep that in mind. How will you record the discount? 392 is after cash discount. If I had to pay 100, cash discount was 2, so I paid 98. I have paid 392. 392 represents 98. So what would be the cash discount? You also need to remember that cash discount will be recorded in the cash book. Okay, it will be recorded in the cash book. Trade discount is never recorded. So I need to know the amount of discount. Okay, come on, do it. So you have paid 392 after deducting cash discount, and then you found out the cash discount, which was how much? 8. Okay. Now telegraphic transfer means paid through the bank. Now the next part. Can you read the next part, please? That means it is receiving. How much you've received? Right? Right? What date? 25th. What will you write? Commission. Then full settlement means he settled the debt. That means cash received or cash allowed will be there. How much have you paid? So pay 285 in settlement of 300. That means 15 is what? Yeah, 15 is what? Discount receipt. Okay. After that, you will start closing the accounts. How do you close the accounts? Tell me. You first total your discount columns. First, you total the discount columns. That means you do the totaling. There is nothing over here. And this total is 42 plus 8 plus 15. It is 65. Then cash. The cash debit side is more. The cash debit side is 595. 460 plus 135. 595 I will write on both the sides. 595 minus 285 minus 42 is going to give me 268. 268 will be my balance closed down. Balance closed down on the 30th. On the 30th, same will be my balance begin down. That is 268. Then I will close which account? Bank account. The total of the debit side is more, I can see over here. 920 plus 410 plus 115. This is 1445. 1445 minus 798 minus 392 is going to give you how much? 255. To bring down the same balance over here. This is 30th April. Next first day of the next month. So it would be May 1, 2022. So with this, we complete the cash book. Now just read this part, try to analyze, and then we will go with the BRS. Now this is the sum. This is related to bank reconciliation statement, and they want to know something related to it. So we'll read the question. Can you please read the question for me? Hmm. Can you tell me what comes in a BRS? In the BRS, you will have something that is already recorded in the cash book, but it is not done in the bank statement. Okay? In the BRS, you will have only two things, that is uncredited deposits. You will have uncredited deposits and unpresented checks. Unpresented check is check paid but not yet cash, or check received but not yet deposited. Okay. So here in the BRS, you will have only these things. And in the cash book, you will update the cash book with things that is done in the bank statement, not done in the cash book. Bank charges is done in the bank statement. So you will update the cash book, you will remove it from the cash book. Cash book has a rule, something that is coming in is debit, something that is going out is credit. So bank charges is going out credit. Direct debit for rent, it is not in the cash book, rent is going out. Check paid to the supplier but not yet cash, it's unpresented check. It is unpresented check is not in the bank statement. So what will you do when you're doing a BRS? You will subtract it. Okay. Checks for commission received, dishonored. It's there in the bank statement, not there in the cash book. So if received is dishonored, when you receive it, you record it on the debit side. When received is dishonored, you will put it on the credit. Dividend received, it's come in the bank statement. I have to update it in the cash book. Okay. So you need to understand, you update the cash book only with the things that happened in the bank statement. And BRS is prepared for unpresented checks, uncredited deposits. Okay. Now try this one and then you are going to explain me this. Come on. Prepare the account of Rahat as it would appear in the ledger of Peter. I have to prepare the account of Rahat as it would appear in the ledger of Peter. Peter. Who is Rahat for us? He is a supplier. So if Rahat is a supplier, that means I am going to make which account? That means I'm going to make a PLCA account. Rahat is a supplier. I am going to make a PLCA account. So I will take this question and I will see what am I supposed to record for Rahat in my PLCA. I know the format of the PLCA, correct? Okay, fine. Just a minute. So Rahat is a supplier. Supplier, that means he should have a balance begin down. It's already 840. On April 3, I have paid him 798 and 42 in full settlement. That means there is a discount. So there is cash bank and there is discount received. Then you purchase goods worth 320 from Rahat on credit. Purchases. Credit purchases comes on the credit side. So purchases is 320 minus 10%, that is 288. Okay. This is on the 15th of April. And after that, I have paid 285 to Rahat by cash in full settlement of, that's Rafael. So there is nothing else. So the remaining would be the balance closed down. The total over here is how much? 1128. 1128 minus 798 minus 42 is 288. 30th is the balance closed down, and on the first day of the next month, this would become the balance begin down. So to know this, you also need to know whether he is your supplier or your trade receivable, and then you can use the same format and apply it selectively. So this was a mixture of BRS, cash book, control accounts. Okay. So with this, we complete the first sum of May, June 22, paper 22.